It was like 6 ounces.
Really?
It was titanium. Yeah.
Wow.
And
Okay.
it was a 5.56 silencer. So it was right at 5 inches, or maybe right under 5 inches, and 6 ounces, and it was quiet. Like, it was without hearing protection. You could shoot it.
Really?
On
Okay.
a gun. And there's very few things that like I go to the show and it's like, all right, this is like really impressive. Like, it's like, oh, it's another gun, whatever. I don't get super impressed. That silencer I was very impressed with.
Okay. Who made it?
It's Cobalt Kinetics. It's called the Scrambler.
Okay.
I've seen them before, like on Instagram or something, but like never was able to shoot one or like handle it.